How to fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix AirPods not connecting to iPhone, firstly try to reset your AirPods and see if the issue gets fixed or not. To reset the AirPods, simply open the case on your AirPods and press the button at the back side of your AirPods case for at least 30 seconds and now see if the AirPods gets connected to your iPhone or not. If not, try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. Also, try to reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Lastly, check for iOS updates in your software update settings. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.